Everywhere you look online, you'll find ads for MemoBlast, the so-called miracle brain pill that promises to restore memory, boost focus, and even reverse cognitive decline. Influencers call it revolutionary, users claim it changed their lives, and the marketing? Pure genius. But here's the question that really matters. Is MemoBlast a legitimate breakthrough for brain health, or just another overpriced supplement selling false hope? I've been reviewing brain supplements and nootropic formulas for years, everything from research-backed brands to viral social media pills. My reviews focus on ingredient quality, transparency, scientific validity, and real-world performance. When MemoBlast began flooding my feed with claims of memory recovery and instant mental clarity, I decided to investigate. I purchased a bottle, examined the ingredients, checked clinical references, read consumer feedback, and even tested it personally for a full month. MemoBlast's marketing centers around three bold promises: rapid memory restoration, they say it can reconnect broken brain pathways and help you think faster; scientifically proven results, supposedly backed by university research; and cognitive breakthroughs. Safe, natural, and risk-free, using herbal ingredients made in the USA and covered by a full money-back guarantee. These are powerful claims, but they demand real evidence. Marketing and transparency. MemoBlast's website and ads are full of dramatic before and after claims and emotional testimonials, but very few verifiable facts. There's no published research on the full formula, and the so-called Harvard study mentioned in promotions simply doesn't exist. The product name and marketing language appear nearly identical to several older brain supplement schemes rebranded over time. Ingredients and label. The label lists common nootropic compounds like Ginkgo biloba, Bacopa monieri, and phosphatidylserine, all known to support brain function, but the actual dosages are hidden inside a proprietary blend. That's a major red flag, since without transparency, you can't verify potency. The formula might contain trace amounts that are far below clinically effective doses. User experiences. Reports are mixed. Some users describe minor boosts in focus and mood, but many others report no noticeable improvement after weeks of use. The most common complaints include delayed shipping, unexpected subscription renewals, and difficulty getting refunds despite a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Legitimacy check. MemoBlast is technically a real product. It ships and can be purchased online, but its promotional tactics are questionable. The exaggerated medical claims, lack of published testing, and recycled marketing narratives are all consistent with low credibility supplement operations. So is MemoBlast a scam? It's not a total fake. You will receive an actual product, but its claims are highly misleading and its results are modest at best. There's no solid scientific proof behind the promises of memory recovery or cognitive transformation. If you're simply curious and want to experiment with over-the-counter nootropics, MemoBlast is unlikely to harm you, but you should manage expectations. If you're looking for measurable improvements in memory or focus, you'll probably be disappointed. Good for casual users seeking a mild focus aid and comfortable paying for marketing hype. Not for anyone expecting clinically proven results or medical-grade performance. In short, MemoBlast is not an outright scam, but it's definitely overhyped. You're buying clever marketing and ordinary ingredients wrapped in luxury claims, not a miracle for your brain. Approach it with skepticism, and remember, real cognitive improvement starts with consistent habits, not a single pill.